Hello and welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. So today we're making a lighter, healthier, simpler classic chicken pulao. It's mild, tasty and extremely satiating and very quick. Chicken is a great source of protein, and the best part is we will make this recipe with Daawat Brown Basmati Rice. Now I know that we all like to eat food with our eyes. So long grains of basmati look very appealing at the first glance. But I eat my food with my head. Eating mindfully is imperative. Hence I choose basmati brown rice. And this one, because while the grain is long, it has the full bran intact. I cook with it all the time and it hardly takes 15 minutes and it turns out fabulously well. So let's get cooking. Sabse pehle, we'll just soak our Daawat Brown Basmati chawal. A cup and a half. And just keep it aside. That's it. We first put in our 2 tablespoons of ghee. सबसे पहले आप इसमें तेज पत्ता डालें. Around 5 cloves. A few peppercorns. 2 star anise. 3-4 ilaichi. 1 big thinly sliced onion. I'm going to shift it onto the bigger burner. As you can see, the onions are brown now. We add in a tablespoon and a half of ginger garlic paste. A teaspoon of coriander powder. Jeera powder. Half a teaspoon of garam masala. I like a bit of spice in the pulao. You don't want it to overpower, so I just add like 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper or paprika. Just mix it all in. Now we add in our chicken. Some people prefer it boneless, like my husband, but I add in 2 leg pieces because I feel the flavor is in the bones. So there goes our chicken, around 300 grams. Now we add in our soaked rice. Now we add in our chicken stock, around 2.5 cups. Add in the salt. Now we add in our chopped mint leaves. Just gives it a nice flavor. Now we cook this on a medium gas for around 20 minutes. अगर आप कुकर में पका रहे हैं, it'll take you around 15 minutes. It's ready. Oh my God, that smells divine. Okay, just let it cool. You take out all the khada masala. Okay, now we just plate it. Just garnish it with a few sprigs of mint. Let me just taste it. Oh my God. Perfectly cooked, super soft and delicious. The nutty flavor of the brown rice complements this dish, and it's topped with high fiber, makes it even more nutritious. So make this chicken pulao and ghar mein logo ko daawat pe bulao. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Tab tak ke liye स्वस्थ रहो, मस्त रहो.